Araceli, have you ever seen yourself on the wall?
First time today, kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because of that, Mr. Ciego, who is also entrepreneur, a community activist, decided to do something special for Araceli. So here is the microphone, man, so you could say it.
Yes. Well, you guys know me as the man from Beverly Hills. I came to mingle with you guys today.
Woohoo!
I came down.
BH in the house.
Anyway, in honor of this lady right here that's doing a wonderful job, I created a clock with Garifuna numbers on there. Special for her. She haven't seen it yet. It's going to be a surprise. Santa Claus coming early. That's for you, ma'am. I really do appreciate you. Okay? Okay. And my booth is Roots Creations. It's located at the far corner. On the left is the first booth. I have Garifuna Arts and Craft like you never seen before. So if you want to pick up, if you're from out of town and you want to take a gift item home or give a gift item to a friend or a family member, visit me over there. It's the perfect opportunity right now. Things there you can't find at Walmart.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
When Ronnie asked me to be present here today as an MC and that I needed a Garifuna attire, I started getting nervous, like, oh my God, how is that gonna happen? I called a good friend of mine, this is a little self-disclosure, and I borrowed this outfit that is on the flyer and was used to create this clock. This is a way of my ancestors welcoming me back to my culture, to who I am, Garifuna. I could have worn any other outfit. Perhaps it wouldn't have made it this far, but my Garifuna outfit made it this far. I know perhaps Shavella is not here yet, but Shavella, thank you so much for letting me borrow your Garifuna outfit. Look where it's going, baby. It's gonna be on my wall. And you know what? I'll take this and post it in my office so my staff and my team could see who I am, because that is another part of me that they have not seen as much. So thank you so much. I'm really honored and speechless. This is great. Thank you.
Anniversary of the Garifuna settlement, British and Tourist Families, and the second annual fest here with you guys here. I am pleased to be here positively.
This is one of the greatest shows I ever experienced, really, to this level. We owe it to you because you're part of what we do. The money that you paid at the door is paying for Aurelio, for Aziatic, for sound, for everything. Trust me, the flights, we flew more than 15 people from New York. We're paying hotel. Well, you know, it's a lot of expenses. But we don't have funding from the city or from anybody. We're putting this money from our own pocket. We're making it happen because we trust and we believe in our community. Garina, go! I want to hear some noise! Okay, I'm going to invite Dr. Gill. Dr. Gill has a special presentation. He is the Consul General of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the homeland of the Garinagu, Yurumin. So let's welcome Dr. Kadrin E. Gill. He was born and raised in Sandy Bay, which is one of the few Garifuna communities still remaining in Yurumin, in St. Vincent. Surusia.
Yeah. Thank you, Ronnie, for this warm and generous introduction. Buiti Gunyong Sunmutu. On behalf of the people and the government of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Yurume, I want to bring you warm greetings. This is truly a pleasure and an honor to be with you here this evening, celebrating our second annual Garifuna Street Fest. This event is a testimony to our survival as a people who were never enslaved and fought two European empires, the English and the French, to preserve our sacred independence in our beloved Urome, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. When the exodus occurred in Palacios in 1797, the English thought that we're going to perish, but they can see now we are over 300,000 strong all over the world. So may the indomitable spirit of our great ancestor, Joseph Chatouillet, live on and on to inspire generations yet to come. Sereme, thank you, Nebu. Thank you.
Dr. Kadri Negil, the Consul General of the Western United States for St. Vincent and the Grenadines, also known as Urume. Now we have a special presentation for Mr. Antonio Norales. Come on up, Mr. Antonio Norales. He is the man who founded the Guanaragua World, Mundo Guanaragua from Boston, Massachusetts. So I'm gonna need some garawan. ¿Dónde están los? Hey, I need. Hey, Goyo, Roy, come on. Let's do a little bit of Guanaragua here for Antonio Norales. He's gonna show the quality of that warrior spirit of you. He's the man. The man is also a veteran from the U.S. Armed Forces. So let's give it up to Mr. Antonio Norales, born in Honduras. Okay, so Antonio, we're going to present a recognition from the city of Los Angeles for having traveled all the way from Boston to be part of this successful event and for giving back to the community, because you know what? The fact that you took time away from work and from family to come here, that means a lot.
The city of Los Angeles certificate of recognition is hereby presented to Antonio Norales on behalf of the city of Los Angeles and New North Council District. I join with the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for working with the Garifuna Street Fest, sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and success on your future endeavors. November 2008, current price, Council Member 9th District. Let's give it up, Antonio.
So this is important. This is important. Aurelio, muchas gracias. Thank you, Niabu. Bongu Boma. And have a nice trip back to New York or Honduras. You live all over the place. Así de que, bueno. Okay, so I want to present this beautiful city of Los Angeles recognition to Alex Ciego. Alex Ciego from New York. We got you something from Los Angeles, recognized officially by the mayor. Also, Young P. Martinez, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. This is for you, brother. Frame it in your room. Let's see. I want to call Ross Jordan from Edit Your Video. We got something from the city of Los Angeles for you. Ross Jordan, great job doing a live feed and also documenting Garifuna history here in Los Angeles. So Ross Jordan, please come on up. Come and get it. Right here. Which one? Another one, Araceli. Also, Luis Reyes. We got to recognize Luis. He's been the photographer for every event. Luis Reyes, we love you, man. Also, a retired Marine. Thank you for your service, brother. Love you. Who else do we have there? Glen Garcia Q for being an artisan, for being such a great drummer. Glen, we'll give it to you later, but this is for you, brother. Which other one? Miss Georgette Lambey is also getting one from the city of Los Angeles for being with the Gayusa and for teaching back home over there at Urume. She's been back to Urume 3 times teaching the children how to speak the language. Alex Ciego, this is for you, brother. Congratulations. Okay, so we want to thank you guys. You did a great job. So let's call them Budari Dance Company. Budari, I have something to present to you guys as well. Okay, Budari. Habuti Abuti, I call that to Frank. He is the chief of chiefs. Habuti Abuti, Higabuno, Frank Frank Palacios. You're going back to New York, brother, with a special love from the city of Los Angeles. This is Budari Dance Company. We love you guys. Thank you for what you're doing. Here is the microphone for you, Abuti.
I'm speechless. All I can say is thank you so much. You are so wonderful. I love LA. Garinagu! Budari Dance Company! Thank you so much. Let me introduce you to the choreographer and director of Budari Dance Company.
Buitiguño son Garinago. Que viva nuestra cultura garífuna. Solo podemos decir mil gracias porque esto no es para Budari Dance Company, sino que para toda nuestra comunidad garífuna, donde quiera que se encuentren, y sobre todo, gracias a nuestros ancestros. Sereme en Buitiguño.
Also, we have a special clock recognition from Roots Creation, Ciego, to you, my brother, being a brother from La Buga, from Puerto Barrios. Much love to you. Take your clock, put it on your wall, and enjoy it. The numbers are in Garifuna, if you know. Aba Biama Uruwa Gadiru, and so on and so forth. All right, let's do it. Let's see one more time Budari Dance Company, and then we got Libaya Baba in the house.